Welcome to Soul Affirmed. I will say an affirmation, and as you repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, your brain creates new pathways of intention and inner strength. Take a breath and let's begin. I trust myself to make decisions that support my highest good. I am growing into a stronger, wiser version of myself every day. I radiate positive energy and attract positive experiences. I am resilient. I am proud of the person I am and the person I am becoming. I am learning, healing, and expanding into someone I deeply love. Good things flow to me with ease. I'm allowed to take up space and use my voice. I am worthy of kindness, especially from myself. If this resonated, give it a like and share the positivity. Subscribe for more daily uplifting affirmations. Your soul is now affirmed.